No, this fisherman's caught a bird and fish at the same time. That's a little sad. Poor bird gonna get stuck on the friggin' hook. Ay ay ay. He's got a few fish on there. It's like catching crabs. Shit, poor bird. He's... Ouch. How often does that happen? You catch birds? Probably quite often, eh? They're always going after the friggin' fish, eh? Shit. Hey.
He's okay. His feathers are ripped up.
Right here. I have one. You have one? Over here. And then
See, they catch a bird. Poor bird. Oh, they got him off. Oh! Shit. Aye, that's why they catch it. They go after it when it's underneath the water, eh?
Come up. Where'd he go?
He's probably taken off like a bat out of hell. Eh? Yeah.
There he is.
Yeah.
That's the bird that we
Oh, hey, another?